Hello students, today I am going to teach you Python programming, few more programs for NVS KVS, and I hope you have gone through the syllabus of PGT, and in the PGT syllabus we have different kind of concepts in Python, like we have the uh, stack and queue concept, we have the concept of data structure using Python, we have the concept of push and pop, programming using push and pop. So few details I'm going to solve here. These things are not able to possible in a single video, so you need to go through lots of videos by me. So here, first topic I'm going to discuss, that is one of the main most important topic, is how many types of operators are there in the Python. So we have three type of operators: unary, binary and ternary. Unary, binary and ternary. In Java program also I have told you that we have three types of operators: unary, binary and ternary. I have told you the execution of unary and binary, and we'll discuss about, let me discuss few things about unary. When we have a single operand like a plus plus, and if we'll write a equals to 5, then a plus plus will be 6. In case of binary operator, we have two operand which will work on the different kind of operators like a plus b, a minus b, a modulus b. Now program, I'll discuss some program, because we have in our examination there are some chunks of program. We can get questions like find the output of the program, what will be the output if the program is used to find the odd character in a string. So I'm going to discuss. You can see I have started str1 equals to input, enter your choice. I'll show you execution also in ideally Python ideally integrated development learning environment. str1 equals to input, inside double quotes we'll write enter your choice, and colon double quotes closing semicolon, and all the things will be small only, not capital. It has taken by default capital, but you have to write it as small, and no space will be also. We'll take another variable str2 equals to blank. This is I equals to 1 will initialize. We'll use while loop. While loop is used to check the condition. I have explained you that while loop is entry control loop, and do while loop is exit control loop. Entry control loop means at the start of the program, it will check if the condition is fulfilled, then it will get inside the program, and if the condition will be false, then it will not check. While I less than length, I less than equals to length, str1, until the length of I will be less than equals to I, means if I have given I equals to 5, if I have given I equals to 5, I equals to 5, if I have given I equals to 5, then until or unless the length of str will be till 5, I modulus 2 equals 0, means whatever value I will take in I. For example, I will take 10 in I. 10 modulus 2 means 10 divisible by 2. 10 divisible by 2 equals 0, means 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10 here. 2 5 is 10. You can see it is completely divisible, and we are getting 0 as remainder. So means it is completely divisible by 10. 2 means it is a even number. So str2 equals to str2 plus str1 I minus 1. str2 means what will be the str2 was blank. We need to get the value of str2, and here we are getting the value of str1. So I have given str1 as string of 1 and str2 string of 2. We need to do the program to remove odd character in a string. String क्या होता है? Uh, string is a data type which contain a combination of alphabet and numbers. which has to be written inside double quotes. So while I less than equals to length string 1, if I modulus 2 equals 0, string 2 plus string 1 I minus 1. Length means whatever will be the length of the string. str1 means length of the string. And I is a variable which will be divisible by 2, and we are getting 0 as remainder. Then I equals to I plus 1 means it will increase. Then we'll print original string str1, then final string str2. Original means whatever will be the value of string, and final means after removing the odd character, whatever we are getting. Now what is a string? We came across string many times. What is a string? A string is a data type used in Python to represent text, collection of characters or symbol, which can be written, as I told you, inside double quotes inside green double quotes 1 2 3 4 5. Now we have a very common question in Python, that is difference between interactive mode and script mode. So what is the difference between interactive mode and script mode? The interactive mode accepts a single line of code and execute it immediately, it provides the result. Single line of code like I equals to 2, I equals to 3. On the other hand, if we have a block of code, then we can use script mode. I'll show you after execution what is the difference. Now we have some another program where we have to find the output. We have a variable I which is equals to 5. We have a variable j which is equals to 7. We have a variable x which is equals to 0. I equals to I plus j minus 1 means I equals to I plus 5 plus, here the equation will be 5 plus j minus 1. So what is j minus 1 means 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 bracket close is equals to 5 plus 7 minus 1 6. So 6, what we are getting 11. X equals to j plus 1. Now x equals to 0, so j plus 1. What is the value of j? J equals to 7, so 7 plus 1, that will be 8. Now print x. Here x will be 8. And I here we have calculated I will be 11. And j will be 8. J into 2. This is the sign of multiplication. Means it is square root of 2. So j square root of 2 means the value of j will be j plus 1. J will be 7. 7 into 7. 49. X equals to j plus 1. Now again j plus 1. Then what we are getting? We are getting 8. I equals to I plus 1, the next value. Here the value of I was 11. So 11 plus 1 will be 12. Print I and j. So here we need to see that here what we are getting the value, then this value will be executed here, not this value. Whatever value we are getting here, that will be executed here. So we need to print the output. Now what will be the output? For I in a range 6, the range of I is 6, till 6 it will go. If I equal 3, and for I in range 6, I equal 3, the value of I will be 3, break. जब I का value 3 हो जाएगा तो condition has to be break. So it will go from I 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. It will not go till 3. Loop will go 3 times. So one loop, second loop and third loop. So it will print 0, 1 and 2. We have to print I, and I has to go till 3. So the value of I will be 0, 1 and 2. Now explanation of the above program. Due to break statement, the program will terminate and the value of I will execute till 3. So first the value of I will be 0, then 0 will be printed. Second, the value of I will be 1, then I will be printed. Third, the value of I will be 2, then 2 will be printed. So 3 times. So that was few programming I had discussed in Python. We have a lot to do in Python if we want to qualify any competitive examination. So for that you need to go through my channel. Please go through my channel and subscribe and like. Thank you very much.